Hi there, I'm Dr. Phil Solomon. I want to introduce you to my clinic, Solomon Facial Plastic. We're going to give you a brief tour of our facility, and today we're going to be talking about Follicle, our hair transplant boutique clinic, which we run out of the Thornhill location, but we also see consultations down in Yorkville. Our clinic has been set up for over a decade just north of the city, and I'm fortunate to have a team of great administrative staff who are here to help you through your journey. And we have a number of nurses who work in the surgical area in the operating room as well as in the consultation process. When I decided to open up Follicle with my colleague Dr. Mark Cortman at Solomon Facial Plastics, we decided to make it as unique as possible, giving patients the best possible medical experience for their hair transplant in a comfortable setting of our surgical facility. So what sets us apart? What's different about our clinic? You know, there's lots of great hair transplant clinics around North America, many of which are housed within surgical facilities. The advantage, in our opinion, of having it all in one facility is that a lot of our patients who are undergoing surgery for other facial plastic surgical procedures may require hair transplant as part of their overall comprehensive treatment plan. So we do facial feminization surgery, we do hairline lowering surgery, which are surgical procedures, and hair transplant could be a nice add-on. So this is our hair transplantation room. This is where our team assembles. The patient will be given mild sedation. They'll be seated in this comfortable chair. They can watch TV throughout the procedure. The procedure is quite lengthy. It takes a large part of a day. Here's some of the equipment that we use. These are operating microscopes to ensure that we have best visibility throughout the procedure. They're very unique and specific to hair transplantation, such that we can harvest and preserve and have as high level of take of the grafts as possible. Okay guys, this is our main operating theater. This is a level 3 surgical facility, meaning that we can put you completely to sleep or place you under deep sedation. We usually use those for more extensive surgical procedures, such as hairline lowering procedures, facial feminization procedures, also perform rhinoplasty, facelifts, and eyelid surgery. We have a team of expert anesthetists who work closely with us for a number of years, and they're comfortable working with you to make sure that you get the best anesthesia possible for your desired procedure. So I just wanted to show you guys where the equipment is processed and cleaned. I think it's important that you guys have comfort knowing that everything's done properly here. We have a team again who comes in and does the sterilization. They're called sterilization technicians. And again, it's all regulated through the College of Physicians and Surgeons. Dirty equipment comes in, it is cleaned, it then comes into this next area in the facility where we prep it for autoclaving and put it in ovens. It's packaged, and then every single instrument that's used in our facility is individually wrapped and packaged and will be then completely sterile for whatever surgical procedure you are having.